Good evening, everyone. This was a very good question that was given in JEE Mains 2025 January attempt. So let us analyze how to solve this question. If you just see at the question, you will be able to draw certain conclusions. So whenever you are multiplying any two numbers, for example, this is A and this is probably B, and you equate it to 0, so either A can be 0 or B can be 0. In the similar fashion, if you assume this total term has to be probably A and this is B, then we'll be able to solve this question. But this is not the only trick that will be applied here. The other trick that we just have to see is x and root x. So whenever you try to get the things in this manner, so we just have to convert it into t and t square, so that the calculations will become easy. So now I am assuming this to be A and I am assuming this to be B, and now let me assume 1 by x is equal to t. So this is applicable even here and even here. So if I just see here, so let me just bring it down. Now where was the question? Yes, it is here. Now this becomes a, since 1 by let us assume 1 by root x is equal to t, then 1 by x would be equal to t square if you just whole square it on the both sides. Now since this is 1 by x is equal to t square, it is 90 square minus 90 plus 2 is equal to 0, since A can be 0 and B can be 0. Now for B is equal to 0, what is the condition? The condition tends to be like 2t square minus 70 plus 3 is equal to 0. So just seeing this one, so we just have to make sure that we are able to break the things in factors here. So if you are able to break this in factors, so it is probably like this. And for this one, if you just see, it will probably be in this manner, if I am not wrong, isn't it? Now seeing to the next thing is just we can just take 3t common, and it will be 3t minus 2. Similarly, minus 3 common, it will minus 1 common, it will be 3t minus 2. So taking 3t minus 2 as common, let's just take 3t minus 1 is equal to 0, and t can be equal to 2 by 3 or t can be equal to 1 by 3 in this fashion for this one. Now similarly, coming on to this one, you'll have 2t common and t minus 3 will be getting here, and minus 1 common and t minus 3. So 2t minus 1 into t minus 3 is equal to 0. Now for this one, t is equal to 1 by 2 and t is equal to 3. Okay, now here it is t is equal to 2 by 3 or t is equal to 1 by 3. The question could have been even more difficult, provided that one of the t's could have been negative. That's the reason, because he just asked the number of solutions for this one. So how can we approach now? Now since we assumed 1 by root x is equal to 2 by 3, and 1 by root x will be equal to 1 by 3. Similarly, this will be equal to this much and this will be equal to this much, isn't it? Now similarly, we'll get how many solutions of x are we getting? We are getting nearly 4 solutions of x. So how do you get 4 solutions? Just take this one and square this one and just take reciprocal of it, so you are getting 4. For example, in the question he would have given somewhere minus, and then you shouldn't have taken this, because 1 by root x will not be minus. Okay, that is something that you will have to take in consideration. So it was an easier question, so the answer is 4 solutions will be there for this one.